What if I told you there's a way to earn up to 13% daily profits in the crypto market, legally and without complex trading skills? In today's video, we'll explore XRP Crypto Arbitrage, a little-known method that could help you build wealth fast. And no, this isn't one of those sketchy double-your-money schemes. It's real, and people are doing it every day. Stay until the end because I'll share a pro-level strategy most beginners overlook. This one tip alone could double your earnings. Crypto arbitrage works because cryptocurrency prices differ between exchanges. Think of it like finding a gadget cheaper in one store and selling it at a higher price elsewhere. The profit is yours to keep. Right now, XRP is perfect for arbitrage due to its fast transaction speeds and global liquidity. Smart traders are capitalizing on these price differences every day. But before you dive in, there's a hidden trap that could cost you more than you gain. Crypto arbitrage isn't just buy low, sell high. Exchange fees, transfer delays, and market volatility can wipe out your profits if you aren't prepared. And good luck calling crypto customer service when your funds are stuck in blockchain limbo. So how can you stay ahead and avoid costly mistakes? Use trusted arbitrage platforms that automate the entire process. These platforms monitor exchanges, execute trades, and secure profits faster than humanly possible. But there's still one advanced tactic that can supercharge your earnings, and almost no one talks about it. Here's the pro-level strategy: triangular arbitrage. This method involves trading across 3 currency pairs simultaneously, maximizing profit potential even when prices shift quickly. This isn't just theory. It's the edge serious traders use to stay profitable. Now that you know how to profit from XRP arbitrage, take the next step. Discover the ultimate blockchain investment battle between ADA and HBAR. Which one could explode next? Click the video on your screen. Now, these insights won't wait.